There was a park over there.
There's a park in the middle of it.
Yeah.
That's where everybody does. There by the
because I feel like she's been less likely than the previous first lady to just be a pretty.
Listen to the charge that you are working hard, but someone else is getting a free ride courtesy of President Obama. If that doesn't get you going, wait for warnings that your Medicare benefits are being siphoned off to pay for Obama's health care recipients. Another case where the good middle-class family is getting shortened. So the poor.
Tampa. My name is John Jacobs, and I'm here at the Republican National Convention with Charlie Crist. So I'm great. Nice to meet you, by the way. It's awesome. Real quick, I was talking to Jim Davis yesterday. You guys ran against each other in 2006. Yeah, we were actually talking about political campaign ads and some of the things you guys did to each other. You mentioned the worst thing that came out of your side was he missed some votes in Congress. You remember that? Yeah, he said it was kind of funny. What was the worst thing he pulled on you?
I don't remember anything really that bad. I mean, it was a good campaign. He was a great competitor, and he's still a friend today.
And I guess because you won, there's really no reason to remember anyway.
No.
Bad. There's nothing bad that could be said.
Well, there's nothing bad to say about a victory.
That's true. And here's a quick question: if you won, yes, sir. Probably have you tried to get it here and go by.
gonna stick around here. Let's go.
Without any doubt, and if you were to die, you'd go to heaven right now. You can know it right now. Do you guys want to know?
Oh, I know. I know. I know.
Wasting time, go, go, go. No, he's selling, Get to the delegates, don't buy it. God, I hate those.
Nobody's outraged but us. Nobody's even paying attention. They literally laughed at
loving on your family.
We don't care about what you voted.
Wow.
Take your vote. Thank you. We'll just vote whatever you want.
That's
It's not
right.
even room for a third party. It's all democracy.
We had the paperwork in on time and they ignored us on everything. On the minority report. He never got nominated. They never allowed him to be nominated from the floor. They didn't even allow it, even though we had the numbers. We had the paperwork turned in on time. They completely ignored it. We worked hard, we followed the rules, and they ignored us.
They took delegates from us that it's horrible. We're elected in our states.
Large part of America
But the
died
people
today.
vote approach should not be
Thanks for
real.
your efforts, guys.
I mean,
It is.
Yeah, it is real. Yeah.
Everywhere. Make it go viral. Third party activism. All activism.
That's all.
Those who can't police themselves, those who can't police themselves are the ones who end up getting policed. It's been pathetic, and it's really pathetic. I know us in Texas, we ousted our chairperson, the Republican chairperson. We ousted him and put in Steve Ministeri, and they couldn't figure out why we elected him. They were like, oh, he's one of our GOPs. He's okay, let him have it. Little did they realize he was part of Ron Paul's legal team in 2008. We had the most fair convention we've ever had. We had older women in there and older people crying because they'd never seen such a fair convention. And he went out of his way in many cases.
Can't be bound at the national level. Vote your conscience.
Helping explain people.
If Romney's a liar
That's not the
and a tax fraud and the wars. Let's put a man with integrity in office, guys. You know Ron Paul is honest. We need the Constitution, right?
Say, yeah, that's what I meant. And they'd come on. Whereas in our local
Romney raised taxes every year in Massachusetts.
they would just ramrod it through. Like, if you weren't on point, they just drop you. Move on.
Yeah. There's your boy right there.